MOHAMMAD al-Hamami, Associate Professor in College of Administrative Sciences, Applied Science University in Kingdom of Bahrain. Today I will present our suggested joint research with my colleague Jean Rong Mao from School of International Communication, University of China, which is about the study of interactive relations between enterprise social media and decision style based on a vector autoregressive model. As we know, the network technology increasingly innovation with social media such as a web chat gradually become popular and important for people, and it is a main platform of communication. Both theoretical knowledge and practical case studies have been provided and prove that social media platforms can be intuitive and show people the focus of the current problems to provide effective basis of market development and investment decisions, especially in the comprehensive promotion of text mining technology. Topic extraction related to corporate social media has been reasonably applied in the financial market. However, due to the problems of sparse and unstructured data, topic extraction in practical application has become the main subject explored by researchers and scholars. So in this research, we will study the enterprise microblogging social media, for example, using both the theme of the text content and platform interactive method according to the relations between the two kinds of typical web relation and the matrix, and by using the constructive non-negative matrix, decomposition process is analyzed, and finally the corresponding distance as a result, and extracting keywords to express the relationship. So the actual verification results will try to show that the clustering accuracy and the theme similarity of this method, it will be more effective than traditional theme extraction methods in corporate social